Okay, this is part 2 of cumulative test. Cumulative test 16A review. Part 1 is already posted. So here we have what percent. What percent is what per 100? Of 40 is 30. So we have is over of. 30 goes here, 40 goes here, and we have our proportion. So let's cross multiply. 30 times 100 is equal to 40x. So this is, and we divide. So x is equal to 75. Okay. All right, here we have 3/5 times m is equal to 48. I'm going to go ahead and write that out here. And I'm going to write 48 over 1, just because I can. We need to multiply by the reciprocal. So this is 5/3. What we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. All of this cancels, so we have m is equal to 48 times 5 over 1 times 3. 48 times 5 is 240 over 3, so I'm going to divide that. 240 divided by 3 is 80. And that's my answer. 16, 1.5 is equal to x minus 0.08. So I'm going to need to add this. And I'm going to need to add it here. This is going to go away. My x is going to drop down. My equals is going to drop down. And I get 1.58 as my answer. You change colors here. Okay. So to simplify this, I'm going to have to popcorn first. So 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So I have 16 over 3 divided by 100, and I'm going to put 100 over 1. Another way to write this is 16 over 3 divided by 100. Now I'm going to keep, change, flip. So I keep my 16 over 3. I change division to multiplication, and I flip. So now I have 16 times 1 over 3 times 100, which is 16 over 100. Now I need to reduce. So I'm going to divide by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25, and that is as far as that's going to go. Uh-oh. I need another color here. Okay. So here I have 3 cubed plus 2 times 5 minus 3 times 2 squared over the square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared. So let's get into this. This is going to be 3 times 3 times 3. This is going to be 2 times 2. So let's see. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So I have 27 plus 2 times 5 minus 3 times, this is 4. Okay, and you'll see there aren't parentheses over here, but if you do PEMDAS, if I do PEMDAS, you're going to do multiplication first. Okay, so this means we have 27 plus 10 minus 12. Now I have addition and subtraction all the way across. Keep in mind, we still need to do the bottom part. We're just doing the top right now. 12 plus 10 is 37 minus 12 is going to be 25. Okay, so the top is 25. The bottom part, 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4 times 4 is 16. Square root that. So this is the square root of 25, which is 5. So the top is all 25. The bottom is 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Oh, I did it again. Sorry, I need a different color. Let's do green. Okay, here it says answer with a fraction answer. It's possible that on the test you might be asked to do a decimal answer. You're just going to have to see and then answer accordingly. So I'm going to go ahead and popcorn this. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14 over 3. divided by, and here I have 1 4/10. Okay, so I'm going to popcorn that as well. 10 times 1 is 10 plus 4, so this is 14 over 10. Now I can keep change. 14 over 3 times 10 over 14. So I have 14 times 10 over 3 times 14, 14. My 14s are going to cancel and I get 10 over 3. 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1/3 left over. So my answer is 3 1/3. That is considered a fraction answer, a mixed number answer. They don't want this, they want this. Okay, and then the last problem we have is positive and negative numbers. Let me grab a different color. So we're going to take it 2 at a time. I have negative 2.6 minus negative 4.2. This is a subtraction problem, so I'm going to keep, change. So I have negative 2.6 plus 4.2. So 4.2 minus 2.6 is 1.6, and 4.2 is larger, so this is going to be positive, plus a positive 3.5. So plus 3.5 is 5.1. Let me know if you have any questions.